You gonna investigate the bunny?
God, we are literally having a Bambi and Thumper moment.
What you think? You gonna say hi to the bunny?
Hi. Hi, little cutie patootie.
I'm more worried about what we're doing, I think.
Want to check out the bunny rabbit?
Mama just called for you. I heard her.
Mm-hmm.
Jeez, how close are they gonna get?
Stay.
Pretty close.
Mm-hmm.
Mom just called out again.
That was baby, I think.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, I think that's the talkative one. Hi.
Meanwhile, I got a bird on my left shoulder doing something.
Yeah.
Bumper's like, back off.
Got that picture just before.
Did you? Nice. Nice.
Not really.
You don't hear Mama calling over there? You're gonna get in trouble.
Yeah, that was Mama this time.
Yeah, because I'm staring at her.
Mm-hmm. Come on,
She's
kid.
Like, come on, kid.
Hi, Mama. Hi. We're just taking care of your baby. We're watching out.